Hi guys, welcome to this video on setting up your Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi. To set it up, you'll need a Raspberry Pi power source which has a USB in here and a micro USB which plugs in to the Raspberry Pi. To plug it into the Raspberry Pi, you need to get the micro USB, then on the side with all these pointy things there will be a little socket. This is where you plug in the micro USB. Once you have plugged it in, you have to plug the Raspberry Pi power source into a plug. I'm using an extension reel for this because my plug is really far away. Once you have done that, you need to plug in a HDMI cable. The HDMI goes in the one with the orange sticker on it. The HDMI either goes into the back of a desktop screen or a TV. Once you have done that, you need to insert the SD card, preferably a 4GB SD card. On the bottom of the Raspberry Pi, there is a slot. You need to insert the SD card this way round so that the curved edge is pointing away from the micro USB plug. On that, there is the Raspberry Pi software system. If you don't have the Raspberry Pi software system, you need to plug the SD card into a laptop or computer, preferably Windows or Mac, to download the software. Once you have done that, if you have the Raspberry Pi starter kit, you would have had one of these. These are called USB hubs. They basically make more USB slots for your Raspberry Pi. As you see, this only has 2, whereas this has 4. So you plug the normal USB into one of the 2 USB plugs. Once you have done that, the USB hub is connected to your Raspberry Pi, but the USB hub has no power, so you need to plug the Raspberry Pi hub power into the socket on the side. Once you have done this, you have another power which plugs in to a power source. Once that's done, you can plug in this wireless receiver into the Raspberry Pi. Once you've done that, your Raspberry Pi can now access wireless networks. Then you can plug in the keyboard and mouse into the USB hub. Once you have done this, turn on your screen. Then go over to your power supply and flick the switch. Then on the screen, this lots of writing should pop up. Thank you for watching. This is Raspberry Pi Boy.